Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to make a landing page for a Wix website. A landing page is a crucial element of any online marketing campaign, designed to convert visitors into customers. To start, log into your Wix account and click on the Create a New Site button. Choose a template that resonates with your brand or start from scratch. Wix offers a wide range of templates and drag-and-drop tools to make the process easy. The key elements of a landing page include a clear headline, a compelling image or video, a brief description of your product or service, and a call to action button. The headline should be attention-grabbing and describe the main benefit of your product or service. The image or video should be high quality and relevant to your brand. To add a headline, click on the Add button and select Text. Then choose a font and style that matches your brand. Add your image or video by clicking on the Add button and selecting Image or Video. Make sure to optimize your image by compressing it to reduce the file size and improve page load time. Next, add a description of your product or service. Keep it concise and focused on the benefits. Use the Add button to add a paragraph and type in your text. Use bullet points or numbered lists to make the text more readable. The Call to Action button is the most important element of your landing page. It should be prominent and clearly visible. To add a Call to Action button, click on the Add button and Select button. Then choose a style and color that matches your brand. Use action-oriented text such as Sign Up or Buy Now. Finally, customize your landing page to match your brand by changing the colors, fonts, and layout. Use the Wix drag-and-drop tools to move elements around and experiment with different layouts. Make sure to preview your landing page on different devices to ensure it is mobile-friendly. Best practices for creating a landing page include keeping it simple and focused, using high-quality images, and optimizing for mobile devices. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a landing page that converts visitors into customers and helps you achieve your online marketing goals.